In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create an account in Arena Breakout. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You have plenty of options in order to register and start playing Arena Breakout. The first one is to simply use your email. So when you download the game and you open it up, after you download all necessary files to actually play, you will see this screen. Over here, you can include your email, so I'm just going to go ahead and type an example. So you go in, type your email, and all you have to do now is tap send code over here. When you tap send code, a code will be sent to your email, and all you have to do is input the code you received over here. If the email is valid and legitimate and the code corresponds to the one you received, after you tap log in, you will be able to sign up and start playing. Your account will be registered under the email you input over here, and this is all you have to use in order to log in and start playing. Alternatively, you can also log in with Facebook, Google, or a standalone account. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to register and start playing immediately. When you select any of these options here, you will have to choose your region as you saw, and as long as you agree to the terms and conditions over here, you will be able to sign up and play immediately. So I'm just going to demonstrate this by signing in with Facebook, which is what I used to play. And after you are done with this process, you will be thrown immediately into the tutorial. You will be taught how to play. You can choose between recruit or veteran if you are used to FPS games, and after you do this process, you can just keep playing with the same account method that you selected. I hope I was able to help you on how to create an account in Arena Breakout. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.